Here you can see I've stuck this piece, and now this can slide. If I turn this around and take this piece out, you can see that I've stuck a few layers of paper over here. This is for mounting the piece that holds the lens, and it will be sliding through here, and I can slide this to adjust or to focus the lens so as to get a sharp image. As for the piece that holds the lens, each of these are 8 layers of paper, and I'm cutting circles big enough to fit this piece. These are just a few layers of cardboard, and the lens sits in this piece, and the circles that have been cut out from these pieces of hard paper are the same size as this circle.
In order to cut the circle out of the hard paper, I poked some holes along the edges of the circle with a thumbtack. I tore the hard paper between the 2 holes using the thumbtack. After poking along the complete circle, the circular piece of hard paper just came out. After cutting the circle out of the 4th piece, I plan to stick these 4 pieces together, creating a single piece of 32 layers of paper. I then plan to stick that piece over here like this.